whenever I used to get frustrated out of studying, or whenever I used to get bored of studying, I used to think that I have to make my parents proud. So that was the only source of motivation, because the happiness and the feeling which you will get when those two letters of C and A will get added to your name would be much more than the happiness in the short term enjoyments of going out and hanging out with friends. So I'd also read a very good quote on Instagram saying that if you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes the sacrifice. So if you don't sacrifice outings and going out with friends for becoming a CA, maybe you'll have to sacrifice the degree of CA one day. So that was the thing which I had inculcated into my mind, and going forward, like moving forward with that particular optimism, I had no chance wherein I was frustrated and I was bored. So that was the only source of motivation.
So, what piece of advice would you like to tell them?
First of all, for the record, I want to say that it is not easier than 10th, 12th.
Okay.
So I've never got a rank before. So it is not that if you got a rank before, then only you can get a rank. So I was not even close to ranks in IPCC or CPT. So in CA final, you have to give your hard work and dedication and be committed to it. So I used to, like I said, I used to play on Fridays. So you have to take decisions for yourself and trust yourself and be confident enough, and you will be able to clear the exams easily.
अठारह से लेकर 25 तक की जो उम्र होती है, उसमें जो इंसान की लाइफ बनती है, उसके बाद में वो लाइफ बनना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है। दो ऑप्शन है आपके पास। ऑप्शन नंबर 1, आप इन 4 से 5 सालों में मेहनत कर लो, बाकी पूरी जिंदगी मजे लो। ऑप्शन नंबर 2, 4 से 5 साल मजे कर लो, पूरी जिंदगी में मेहनत करो। प्रस्ताव क्या है?
Be committed to it, and I would say maintain a timetable. Like always maintain a timetable. So what you are going to do in the next 15 days. So what I used to do is, like, for the next 1 month or 2 months, I used to prepare a plan. So what subjects I would be doing. So I take 15 days. I give 2 subjects. So I used to prepare a plan, and for next 15 days, what I will do, I used to write on my wall. So on left hand side of my wall, I used to write the timetable. Next 15 days, which chapters I will be doing. So it was all written over there. Okay. Even what I forgot, I was used to write on the wall. So like formulas and all something, I used to write over the wall.
मैं कुछ बहुत बड़ा इंसान नहीं था 7 सालों पहले, आपके जैसा था, पर कुछ करने की चाहत थी जिंदगी में। इंसान अपनी मेहनत से नहीं, अपनी हौसलों से बड़ा होता है, अपनी सोच से बड़ा होता है। हमें अपनी सोच को बदलना होगा। यहां पे बैठा हुआ हर सीए बच्चा यही सोचता है कि मुझ में कोई कमी है, मुझ में कोई कमी है। हर बच्चा यही सोचता है। एक चीज आप याद रखिएगा, जिंदगी में कोई भी इंसान, चाहे मैं हूं, चाहे नरेंद्र भाई मोदी हो, कोई भी इंसान इस दुनिया में कंप्लीट परफेक्ट। इसीलिए आपको सभी को सलाह देना चाहता हूं, यू शुड नॉट थिंक अबाउट योर वीकनेस, थिंक अबाउट योर कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी। आपने आज के बाद में सिर्फ हमारी स्ट्रेंथ को सोच रहा है, वीकनेस को नहीं। बच्चा, वीकनेस हर किसी में होती है।